Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. The star of today's craft project are these silver plastic spoons from the Dollar Tree. These spoons come in a 24 pack, and I have used them often for many of my Glam home decor crafts. For today's Glam home decor craft, we will be making two large round mirrors. Both will be embellished using these spoons, but they will each have very different designs. For our first mirror, we will be attaching this 12-inch mirror onto a 12-inch round wood piece I found at the Dollar Tree. The mirror is from Top Bins, a store that sells overstock and returned Amazon items at deeply discounted prices. For a box of 12 of these 12-inch mirrors, I only paid $6. To adhere the mirror to the wood panel, I am using a generous amount of Fix-All, which is a very strong adhesive that offers long-lasting hold. To top it off, I'll be adding a small amount of hot glue just so that the two pieces will adhere together quickly, allowing us to continue with the rest of our craft project. To cover the outer diameter of the mirror and wood panel, we're going to be using this chrome card trim I found on Amazon. This chrome card trim comes with a self-adhesive, as you can see by pulling away the backing. I'll leave a link down below to my Amazon store if you would like to purchase this chrome card trim for your own crafts. Now, I mentioned earlier that the trim comes with a self-adhesive backing, but I'm actually going to supplement the back with some hot glue just to give that extra reinforcement to adhere the trim securely. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank you for tuning in to today's craft project. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, it would help me greatly if you would subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my glam home decor DIYs. And if you like what you see today, please give me a thumbs up as well. Your support will really help me to continue providing you with more amazing and creative craft tutorials. And the best part is, subscribing and giving me a thumbs up is absolutely free, but will make a world of difference to me. Next, we will take a small round mirror, either a 4 or 5-inch mirror will do, and place it onto the center of the 12-inch mirror. You can choose to scrape off the little felt pads at the bottom, but I'm going to keep them on and simply apply some Fix-All to each of them to secure to the larger mirror. Next, we are going to take a couple of packs of those silver plastic spoons and break them apart so that the round part of the spoon is separated. For this first mirror, we will make use of the arm part of the spoon, and I'll show you later what we will be doing with the round part of the spoons. What I'm doing here is placing the spoon arms around the smaller mirror, mimicking sun rays. For this step, you can experiment with the design of the mirror by placing more or less spoon arms as you desire. For my mirror, mine will include 32 spoon arms. Once you are ready, start to adhere the spoon arms by applying a tiny dollop of hot glue on the edge of the skinniest part of the spoon arm, and then placing it onto the large mirror so that the tip with the glue lays right to the edge of the small mirror. Then repeat until all your spoon arms are adhered to the mirror. When you're done, this is what the mirror should look like. But we're not done yet. We're going to take a string of silver beaded necklace and frame the smaller mirror. And if there are any loose hot glue strings lying around, simply take a dry paintbrush to brush them away. And here's the final look for our first mirror. This mirror can either be hung on the wall using a command strip, or you can sit it on an easel and place it on a table surface. For our second mirror, we are going to repeat what we did earlier by taking another 12-inch round mirror and adhering it with some Fix-All and hot glue to another 12-inch round wood panel. Then, turn the wood panel upside down gently so the mirror faces down on your table surface. Then take a large wreath form from the dollar store and attach it with some Fix-All to the 12-inch wood panel. Make sure you use a strong adhesive like Fix-All or E6000 if you plan to hang this mirror on the wall. When applying the Fix-All, make sure you apply it to the wreath form surface area that will be touching the wood panel. These wreath forms are not perfectly circular, so you will need to double check where best to apply the adhesive. And then, to supplement the Fix-All, we're going to go back in and add some hot glue as well. And here is what the wreath form looks like adhered to the wood panel. You'll see the clumps of hot glue because I applied a generous amount, but we won't need to worry about that because we will be covering those glue spots shortly. But before we do that, I would recommend clamping the wreath form attached to the wood panel that has the 12-inch mirror affixed to it. We'll want to leave these clamps in ideally overnight to ensure all the glue cures fully. Here it's already the next day and I can see that the clamps worked very well to adhere all our pieces together. Now we're going to take a string of silver beaded necklace and use that to frame the larger mirror. Once that's done, now we're ready to embellish our mirror. For this, we will be dressing up the round part of the spoons we broke off earlier with these clear round gems I found at Hobby Lobby. These are flat back gems that come in a variety of sizes. To dress up the spoons, we're going to turn the spoon pieces over and adhere some of the gems onto the spoon pieces, making sure that the gems are laid on top of the round part of the spoons that curve outwards. You can choose to embellish the spoons with as many or as few gems as you prefer. For my spoons, I prefer some of the silver of the spoons to still show through, so I will not be filling the entire surface area with the gems, maybe more like 75%. Here's what my embellished spoons look like. I think they look so pretty, and I can't wait to see how our mirror will look like with these placed around the mirror. Once you have enough spoons embellished, it's time to place them onto the wreath form to create the frame for the 12-inch mirror. These spoon pieces will lay perpendicular to the mirror with the edge right up against the silver beaded necklace. For this step, hot glue will give you a secure enough hold and allow you to work quickly to complete the frame. And when you're done, this is what the mirror should look like. I have chosen to hang this mirror on the wall by the hallway. I don't think this video does justice to how beautiful the gems look on the mirror, especially when the sunlight bounces off the spoons. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. In fact, if you have made it this far into today's craft tutorial, how about writing the word spoons in the comment section so I know you visited today? And make sure you subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's craft. And if you would like to see some of my other home decor crafts that I made using the same silver plastic spoons, make sure you check these video tutorials out as well.